potato mung beans stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes and one of the most different of the beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most tastiest of the stew recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the meals under $1. Today we're going to make potato split mung beans stew. The ingredients are around 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 15 to 20 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, 100 grams of split mung beans or mung lentil soaked in water for around half an hour. Heat the pan and pour in 5 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Saute thoroughly. Now put in the ginger, salt, ginger, and saute. Keep on sauteing. Put in the garlic. salt, garlic, the rest of the mixture. Keep on sorting. Now put in the tomato pieces. Keep on sorting. Now put in salt to taste. Salt in it. Thoroughly mix. Put in the potato pieces. Thoroughly mix. 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Put in the split mung beans. Mix that with. Mix the split mung beans that way with the rest of the mix. Pour in 200 to 250 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the potato split mung beans stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final potato split mung bean stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mung beans recipes and one of the most different of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes and one of the most nutritious of the stew recipes. This is also a complete meal in less than $1 if you look at the cost of the ingredients. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.